Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the small living room decor ideas. If your living room or family room is cramped, the last thing you will want to do is spend time in there. That is unless you trick your eyes into thinking the space is bigger than it appears. It's not a magic, it's just smart styling. Get ready to pin all these tips and transform your small space into a comfortable, stylish oasis for you and your house guests to hang out in. When it is done, you will love the room so much that you will never want to leave it. If your living room has access to a ton of natural light, do not block it out with dark curtains. Let light pour in to make the space feel more airy and open. Even if you do not have large windows and tons of sunlight, choose lighter shades to maximize. Don't be afraid of making a big statement in a small space. There is a difference between cluttered and well curated collections and dramatic design moments. In this modest living room design, we love how over the top formal chain Delia creators construct an intrigue. Choosing a large rug even in a bold pattern is a trick that makes a room feel bigger. Unlike smaller rugs, the large size does not visually break up the floor. This can also help the pace and give you a good staple size to design the rest of the room around. Corner seating can also help you get more out of your space as it does in this room design. Leaning into a smallness of a space can actually be what makes it feel cozy and inviting. Keep seating close together and intimate and choose a plush soft rug like the one in the space designed by this is specially when advised if you are decorating a small family room when you will want to be super welcoming and functional. Dark glossy walls create a sophisticated backdrop for simple clean line pieces and even colorful bold items. Use the small space to your advantage and make it feel like a jewel box. Painting your ceilings the same color can enhance the sense of intimacy even further. Then have fun with the brighter furniture throughout as done in this small living room design. When space is lacking, the only option is to get creative and make things multi-purpose. If you do not have room for a separate living room, family room, and home office, combine each concept into one space. This living room and office by Ford proves that the right layout and piece and look great, no matter what shape or size the room. Even if you are lacking in square footage and surface space, you can get a lot of mileage and out of high ceilings. Even if you are lacking in square footage, to take advantage of vertical space, accentuate tall windows with high curtains and a show-stopping wallpaper like in this room designed. Also, curtains hung well above a window add airiness and height to small room. Keep the curtain design basic but use extra fabric for fullness. Keep walls and floors are white to brighten up the space. Large artwork on the wall is eye-catching yet not the least bit cluttered, as shown in this room design. That why you can make a colorful piece of furniture the focal point of the room so it is not like the walls are closing in on you. Use ottomans in place of traditional coffee table to make better use of your space because a tiny house means your living room often does double or triple duty when people come over. You can top them with a tray to hold flowers and books or use an extra seating. Then why it is family time, they become food. These red leather ottomans in a small family room designed by Redemand Outreach strike that perfect balance between formal and casual. A lower sofa creates the visual effect of higher ceiling. Playing with proportion and scale will also help, like the teeny side table next to this divide. Just add pillows to make it more comfortable for logging. Use two small tables to take the place of one big coffee table. They are better for traffic flow and easily moved to wherever else you may need them. We are also digging the use of daybed over a sofa in this room designed by Robert McKinley and have fun with wall decor. As we have mentioned a few times already, a small space does not mean you cannot have fun with colors. So if you love incorporating pretty pastels, mixing pattern is also fair game, especially when done masterfully at this cheerful room design. Resist to push all of your furniture up against the wall. If you create space behind the furniture, it makes the room look wider than it is. The mirror effect of this glossy red paint on the ceiling makes the small space feel larger and more glam. Choose lighting that can be attached to the wall or hung from above to save room on floor space light. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and like the video. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.